Hi folks, it's Rick from AC Pocono Refrigeration Service. I'm at the Kalahari Resorts Water Park. And this is Captain Bly, I guess, I don't know. Or one of those guys. Anyway, we're working on the walk-in for the bar here. I've already done my work. I'm coming in to check my results. The walking temperature should be down very well. Going in. I remember when I first did the first video, part one, it was like 80 degrees. That's dropping down to 54 degrees. It's very cold inside here. And we got the evaporator fan motors running. Looks good. Nice and cold. And that thermometer is set for 36, so we should be good. Okay, I want to thank you folks for tuning in. Again, this is Rick from AC Pocono Refrigeration Service. Give us a call, 484-764-7738 for all your refrigerator, air conditioning needs. We do all makes and models for residentials. We do all the refrigerators and air conditioning units, central, and any commercial equipment, cooling units or air conditioning units. We do all makes and models, all brand names. Thank you. Be safe during this coronavirus. Hopefully, God's blessings will be out of this mess soon. Okay, thanks for tuning in. Okay, bye now.